Yo, this is Antonio Kroger 396. I want to teach you guys how to work a baler. A baler is easy, but you have to be 18 or older to use a baler, right? Okay, this is the baler. It's very dangerous. You close the cage down. You close the latch. If you come right over here, it's a button. You have your on and off button, your key, your emergency stop button. You have your up and down switch. What you want to do is turn level to down and hold the button, and then it comes down. Be careful. You stick your hand in there, it gets caught, just like that. Emergency stop, and it crushes the box. Comes right up, and that's how you work a baler. It's very loud, and it opens the cage back for you. Like I was saying, pretty easy to work a baler. You have to be 18 or older. It's very dangerous, and this precaution, you stick your hand in there, this is what happened to your finger. See, loaded boxes, crushed. If you're looking for me, hit on Antonio G. Carter on Facebook. You all have a wonderful day.